See this question, it is a classical example which I have taken up from the textbook Dennis Ritchie. Coming to the textbooks, if you're really willing to know more about this C programming language, the textbook that you can follow is Dennis Ritchie. Okay, Programming using C by Dennis Ritchie. That is a really good book you can follow. Apart from that, most of the things I am going to cover. See, this C programming language has lots of things, so it is not possible for me to to discuss about all the possible concepts and things which are present, because I am discussing C programming language mostly for data structures. In data structure, we will see that how this C programming language is applied. Maybe in algorithms also we'll see. We'll just see that how C is going to be helpful. So just see this question, that we are given with an array with the number of rows as 10. There are 10 rows. Suppose m is 10. Suppose I am having m cross n matrix or m cross n two-dimensional array which has 10 number of rows and 15 number of columns. Columns are 15. And it is given that they are in the memory, they are arranged as row major order. Okay, RMO means row major order, with base address as 100, with base address as 100. And another important thing that you have to understand here is the starting index. See, the starting index is 1, not 0. Okay, so depending upon the starting index, our formulation for finding the address of an element will vary. Okay, so you have to be very much sure, or you have to see that what is the starting index. Otherwise, you may do it in a wrong way. Okay, so these are the options. So let us first derive it. So suppose I want to find a of ij, that what will be the address. So as you remember that the formula is given by I minus 1 into n plus j minus 1 into 100 into the size plus base address. Now coming to this size, as there is nothing mentioned here that whether each and every element is going to take 1 word or 1 byte or whatever its size is, you just take this size as 1. You just take this size as 1, and the next thing is that here I am not writing I. Instead of writing I am writing as I minus 1 and j minus 1, because the starting index is 1, not 0. Okay, so this will become I minus 1. This becomes I minus 1 into our n is given as 15 plus j minus 1, okay, into 1 plus 100. So what will come here? So it is 59 minus 15 plus j minus 1 plus 100. Okay, isn't it? Yes. So it is 59. This is plus j minus 16 plus 100, and I think it is going to be 59 plus j plus 84, I guess. Yes, 84. So option A is correct. Okay, so in this way we can easily solve this kinds of problem, that if we are given with some array with the number of rows and number of columns, and we are given with that what it is, whether it is row major or column major, and we are supposed to find the address of an element, then we can easily find it. So it is not always mandatory that they will give you row major order. It can be even column major order. So we shall see that how column major order works here. So just change it to column major order. Coming to this row major and column major order, one simplest thing, or it is just, if you really are not understanding this, then just as a formulation in order to remember this, just see that here I am writing I minus 1 and j minus 1. So in case of column major order, you just make I as j and n as m, and the formula which you will be deriving is, it will be j minus 1 into m plus I minus 1 into the size of each and every cell plus the base address. This is for column major order. using this formula you can easily derive that what will be the address of the element aij if it is not given as row major order, it is given as column major order. Okay, I leave it as an assignment for you. You just do it by yourself and see, and if you further want to extend this example, you just put any random values for I and j. Just put any value for I and j and just draw the memory cell and see how what location it will be exactly present, and what formula what location your formula is giving, and then match that how they are going to be same. Okay, you can do that exercise, that you can do that by as an exercise that will help you to clear your concepts. Okay, and now we shall see that how various operations can be done using array in data structures. And okay, after that we'll jump on to the next concept or next module in our C programming language. Okay.